Kakori conspiracy case. The Kakori conspiracy case was filed by the British government against 29 revolutionaries accused of being involved directly or otherwise in a roaring train dacoity. On August 9, 1925, 10 men stopped the 8 down train near the village of Kakuri near Lucknow. The train was carrying collection from various railway stations en route to be deposited at Lucknow. In a well planned operation, the guard of the train was held at gunpoint while shots were fired to keep the passengers within their compartments. The iron safe in the guard's van was forced open and the raiding party decamped with 4,000 rupees in cash. The 10 young open and the riding party decamped with the 4,000 rupees in cash. The 10 young revolutionaries who took part in the dacoity were Asaf Ullah Khan, Chandrasekhar Azad, Rajendra Lahiri, Sachindranath Sanyal, Manmatnath Gupta, Mukundayal, Kundan Lal, Banwari Lal, and Murari Lal, and Ram Prasad Bismil. Within a month of the accident, 29 revolutionaries were arrested for conspiring and operating the act. More arrested followed, and in all, about 43 people were rounded up. All these were put up for trial before the special magistrate at Lucknow. Of these three, including Chandrasekhar Azad, remained absconding while two turned approvers. The Kakuri conspiracy trial attracted a lot of public attention. Many leading lawyers came forward to defend the cause. The case continued for nearly 18 months. The final judgment was pronounced on April 6, 1927. Ram Prasad Bismil, Rajendra Lahiri, and Thakur Roshan Singh were sentenced to death. Sachindranath Sanyal was given life imprisonment. Manmatnath Gupta was sentenced to 14 years rigorous imprisonment, while 5 others, including Jogesh Chatterjee, were awarded 10 years each. 9 of the accused got 5 years rigorous imprisonment. 2 were acquitted. 2 turned approvers for the prosecution, and 2 were pardoned. Some time later, Asafullah Khan was also sentenced to death. The death sentence was finally carried out on December 17, 1927. Chandrasekhar Azad could not be caught by the police and died fighting in police encounter on February 27, 1931. Women also took an active part in the revolutionary movement. They as messengers gave shelter to the revolutionaries and sometimes even attacked British officials. Pretilata Vadedar became a martyr in the struggle to free the country. The revolutionary movement lost momentum after the British came down heavily on the revolutionaries. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, and Sukhdev were hanged on March 23, 1931. The entire nation mourned the death of the brave revolutionary nationalist. Simon Commission. The British government set up the Simon Commission in November 1927 for evaluating the enactment of Government of India Act of 1919. The commission, led by Sir Simon, reached Bombay on February 3, 1928 and was boycotted by all the parties because all its 7 members were British. Whenever and commission when it was welcomed by slogans of Simon Go Back, there were agitation all over the country. In our such agitation at Lahore, Lala Lajpat Rai was lathicharged by the police, which caused his death later. It sent shock waves throughout the country. Now, Nehru report next day.